And next menu here in cross section, the first one is ground section. The ground section means natural ground, existent ground. This is a different name, but this the ground before the excavation, the execution of work. Before the execution of work, this the original ground, natural ground surface. Here you can see that one, the road section. It's mean the design to where suppose you cut from the bottom of some grade, so this is called the design. The convert road section to the ground section. I will open one so you will understand. If I open the ground section here, in the ground section there are from here you can move the first one, from here the last one, and from here you can move up to the station 20, up to how much you put between the distance, suppose 20 meters, so each 20 meter you can put here. The brief description I will tell you how to put the natural ground here. So if I there is add, modify, delete in a red. If I draw, click on the draw, here you will see the cross section for the zero station. From here you can see how many station you have created section, you can see here. So the if I check here, the ground section mean this one, dash line, the original, the natural ground level before the execution of work. This is the ground section. The next one is road section is called this one, the design. The design, this up to the bottom of subgrade, or the suppose this is the channel, so we will go up to the lean concrete, the bottom of lean concrete, or any level you are following, so you can say this is your design level. Okay, the third option is convert road section to ground section. So sometimes we need unsuitable material to calculate unsuitable material or anything like this, so then we need this level, this design level as the natural ground level. So from here you can change, you can convert your design level to road section to ground section, then this will be disappear, and this will be your new natural ground surface, the ground section. Okay, so the rest these things we will discuss when I will start putting the values, getting a second. Okay, this one, the import data. From here you can import ground data or road data. We prepared, there are different ways by which we prepare this ground section. We import one thing manually, you can add here, you can add section here, the station, and you can put the offset and elevation, the elevation offset here, and it will draw here. But sometime, uh, not sometime, generally always we are making the txt file and we import this one to here, because it's the easy way. Manually, if you will put values here, suppose if I want to add next suppose there is I will 20,000. I will put 20 because there is I will just put here. So I will put here, suppose this is minus 50. Minus will be above and plus will be below. So minus 50, suppose this elevation is 100, minus 40, minus 25, and the elevation is 90. The zero elevation is 50. It will come down again 25 on the right side. So let's say this section again going down 40 from the 50, the plus value showing the right side, the minus value showing the left side. So let's say this 60 again go up, and when you save this one, okay, so just click cancel, and from here the last one, this 20,000, draw section, and you will see it's only draw the natural ground surface, this is the natural ground surface. So you can put manually here, you can keep station interval, you can put 25 meter here and keep upset mean this will be in the next one, this will be appear, you can just put the values. So like this it's working, it's create natural ground. Now you can see, and the main minus 50 is the elevation 100, minus 25 this the elevation, then it's come to 50. As you can see 0, it's come to 50. Okay, this also you can modify. I will brief description and this I will discuss this in deeply everything, but now I just sample. If I change the value here and I save here, and when you check this one, just above and then below check, and now you can see it's more above. So I will from the ground section there is option here, this delete. So when you delete section, it will delete this one. Now you can see this one, the start and the end as it was before. So okay, the import data, from here you can import data. Just click on the ground, and as you can see there is a txt file you can import here. There is a pattern for that file. We will discuss that one when we will work. If I open this one, this the pattern for this one, like this you can import to the Earthwork. So I will tell you how make this file like this road. You can also bring the design level, sometime work done. You can bring the work done here. The print data, you can print ground, road, side slope interface. This one, when you draw this one, this side slope, you can print these three things here. This delete group of cross section, if you put here from the ground section, you can select from which station to which station, show station there, select, and then you can delete which station you don't need. You can delete copy group of cross section, same like here. Suppose if you want to copy 002, you don't have it 10 meter, so just put 10 meter. There is the option here, you can check or uncheck this design value, stationary one, typical the typical sections we have put here, and just click copy, and it will copy to the 10 meter, this same station value. Okay, the display cross section, same from here. When I click here and I select draw cross section, the same here you can display cross section what you have made. Just click on the arrow here, and from the down arrow or from here you can check every station. The good thing about the Earthwork is when you create cross section, you will see if there is some problem inside your side slope, side, or maybe you put some values wrong. So you will see that the shape will not be like this. The shape will be something like different, and when you see that shape, you will understand that there is some mistake. Suppose this line is not straight, so always you know that the bed level is always the same. So if it's like it's going like here, like this one, so you will understand it's some problem in my typical section or the elevation. So it's better to, you can, before printing, you can check your additional station description. Additional station description is, suppose from the 80 to 160 180 there is road, or there is existing utilities or passing bridge, flyover, anything. So you can write here, suppose from 80 to 180, I will write here any comments ABC. And before let's check this cross section here. Suppose 0, I can see there is nothing here. 0, 20, there is nothing. So when I put the additional station from 0, let's say from 0 to 60, I said there is anything ABC, and then accept. Okay, now if I go to display cross section, and this one, as you can see here, I write ABC, and when you print it, it's clear in the print preview. When I go to print this one, you will see there is it's very clear there in the cross section. Now here, suppose you write something here, so the additional description, it will mention here. So anybody who will see the cross section, he will understand networks, utilities or anything passing here, or you can remove